Hey kiddos, it's Miss Espinoza. So here is what's going on. Today you are writing your bill. Let me pull teams over here. Alright, oh, it's too big. Let's see, we'll make it stretch out so at least we can see what we're doing here. Alrighty kitty. Oh, I just moved myself. Getting lost. There we go. There. All right. So, remember how we went over all those documents yesterday, and we talked about framing your issue, creating a title, putting your names in there, making sure you put representative, and then also writing your overview. Okay. The form is under this little doc that I posted for you. All right. Let's see. Let's go to the student view. So you can see bill writing part 1. Oh, it doesn't look like the link is there. I'll have to fix that. But you should be able to find the link. And you know what I'll do? I will go grab your link right now and post it so you can see it. All right, here we go. Put in the posts. Alright, new conversation, you guys can see right here. I'm just going to post it right here. And send it to you all. There you go. Oh, I can edit it real quick. Send it to all my classes. How's that? And we'll make sure you have it. So once you've done and you've completed writing your bill, then what I want you to do is to make sure that you attach you just need to go say, you know, I turned it in, or click turned in when you're done with your bill. I'll have it in forms nonetheless, because I have it in forms just for 4th and 6th. Update, let's see. I'll give it to them too. Oh no, I don't think that's theirs. There you go, update. Alright, there you go. Alright, government, that's all of you. You are writing your bill tomorrow. If you get done writing your bill with those 3 parts, you can go look at the notes and go look at all the files that I posted. Remember, in the class notebook, there's all those examples of what else you need to do. Your purpose is 1 sentence, and then your eligibility, and the terms and benefits, and then the fiscal impact. Those are all there. You have videos for all of those things, and you have instructions for all of those things in your class notebook, either in handouts, class notes, homework. It's not in quizzes, but it's in those 3 tabs. You have all the instructions for that. So if you want to continue writing your bill, you can. Otherwise, if you get done with those 3 parts, government kids, go work on some assignment that you haven't finished. Alright? Just stay busy. Don't bug your sub. Alright, now for sociology kids, you guys are going to do something a little different. You have a page. I was going to give you a video, but I didn't want to torture you with the video. What if you didn't have your headphones? What if you didn't? Whatever. So you can all use same thing here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to main teams. You have this research reading, and it should have the OneNote attached to it, I'm pretty sure. Let's go view assignment. Sociology kiddos, view from student view. Alright, and there it is. It is located. I did put your OneNote page there. Alright, your OneNote page is here. This is your guiding question and your learning objective. They're all here. At the very bottom of your reading, those are all PowerPoint notes, by the way. I'm asking you to answer those questions at the end. See the blue? Da, da, da. But everywhere there's yellow, it says, write your notes here. So you're going to read a paragraph or 2, write some notes here, Write some notes here, write some notes here. Okay. To start off with, you have a PowerPoint that you're looking at. Hey, sociology as a science. Okay. Sociology as a science. What does that mean? Etc., etc. Quantitative, qualitative. Research methods. Then there's the scientific method. All that stuff. And then take notes. This gets into deep stuff like what's field research, what's survey research, what's unintended, there's field research observation, what is blended, there's a couple more here, experiments, case studies, just what are these things, and there's some good stories in there to read too. All right. So that should about do it, ladies and gentlemen. Be good. I will see you next week, Monday. All of your assignments, because I don't see you today, they're all due next week. So please work on them in class. It's an hour and a half. Please take the time that I've given you to do these things. Have a great day, and if you pass me in the hall, I'll see you tomorrow. And wear red and blue tomorrow. Make us happy. All right. Bye, guys.